In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design and format messages in Slack, making your communication clear and engaging. Let's dive right in and explore how you can leverage Slack's features to convey your messages effectively and efficiently. First and foremost, you'll want to open Slack. Whether you're using the desktop app or the browser version, log in with your credentials and get ready to start sending messages. Slack is an invaluable tool for team communication, and mastering its features can significantly enhance how you interact with teammates or colleagues. Once you're in Slack, it's essential to know that you can use shortcuts in any message, thread, or status to speed up your typing and formatting process. These shortcuts help you access a variety of functions seamlessly, allowing you to become more productive and precise in your messaging. One handy shortcut is pressing Shift+Enter. This combination lets you add a new line to your message without sending it prematurely. It's particularly useful when you want to separate thoughts or items into different lines, but keep them within a single message. On the other hand, if you're ready to send your message, simply press Enter. This straightforward action sends off your message to its intended recipient, keeping your communication smooth and continuous. Emojis play a big role in digital communication, and Slack is no different. Incorporating emojis into your messages can significantly lighten the tone or emphasize a particular point you're trying to make. Whether you're celebrating with a party popper or underlining a key detail with an exclamation mark, don't hesitate to use these fun tools to enhance your interaction. If you want to cut down on unnecessary noise in discussions, consider reacting to messages instead of typing out full replies. Reactions are quick and often convey your response just as effectively as words can. Use them to show agreement, acknowledge a message, or express your feelings towards what's been shared without adding another message to the channel. For those times when you spot a typo after hitting send, or if further clarity is needed in your message, hover over your message. Once there, click on the three dots that appear. This action unveils additional options, including the ability to edit your message. Clicking Edit Message lets you correct any mistakes or add further details, ensuring your communication remains clear and accurate. By using these simple yet powerful features in Slack, you can ensure that your messages are not only correctly formatted, but also engaging and effective. Remember, clear communication can often bridge gaps and lead to better understanding, collaboration, and productivity within your team. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy crafting your perfect messages on Slack.